What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in again. By the time I post this video up, we will more than likely have hit 500 subscribers, and I cannot thank you guys enough. Each and every single one of you guys that have subscribed to the channel, I cannot thank you guys enough for the continued support that I get from you guys. We're such a small channel with only 500 subscribers, but hopefully we continue to grow and we keep getting bigger and bigger. Obviously, you guys already know, liking the videos, leaving comments, sharing the videos, it has a huge impact in our ratings and getting more people to come through, more traffic. And one thing I want to mention to you guys too, if you guys have any suggestions, any comments that you want to make about how I make the videos, you know, little details, questions about products, or whatever it may be to help better the channel, don't hesitate. Leave a comment down below. I would be more than happy. I'm open to all feedback. I keep, every now and then I get some feedback from you guys, so that's actually really helpful. So if I can continue to get that from you guys, I would greatly appreciate that. But thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. That's a huge milestone for this channel, and I can only hope that we just continue to grow and get bigger and bigger. So let's get into this video. We got a lot to get done today, so let's get it off. Alright, so in yesterday's video, you saw me install our Odawgs ported intake manifold. We have the bulletproof diesel block-off plate just kind of chilling in there. One thing I wanted to mention here real quick is for this back one back here, you actually do need the stud. When you guys actually mentioned this to me, you do need one of the studded ones instead of just a flat one like that for this back left side, because the Fickum harness actually has a ground right here that we need to utilize. So that was one thing I wanted to mention. And then the other thing was up front here. This pulley here, we actually have it spaced out now. I put a washer behind it, just like a real thin, like 1/8 of an inch washer that went onto the back side of this bolt. Screwed that back on. That torques to 37 foot-pounds, so that is good to go. My only other concern was this pipe right here. You can see there is pretty close tolerances right there. I believe SoCal Billet makes a AN style fitting that goes right there, and then you can run a hose actually. So we might do something like that, because I think that would look really good. We are going to be running SoCal Billet's T4 setup, so guys, this is going to look so good. I cannot wait to get all this billet stuff put in and on the truck. This engine build is it's turning out amazing, and I cannot wait to get this thing going. We have the big trains build coming up soon. Not really much to that. We're going to be taking it down to Sam Wise down in Ohio. I've spoke with him a little bit about this, so hopefully he can hook us up with an awesome trains that'll be able to handle pretty much anything we throw at it. So with the things addressed on the race truck engine, we really don't have anything crazy going on with that. Just miscellaneous things. Exhaust manifolds. I'm still on the edge about the exhaust manifolds, you know, running BD manifolds or whatnot. You know, for the cost effectiveness versus the actual horsepower gains, I'm having a hard time spending that type of money for not really knowing what kind of gains I might see. So I might be just running the stock manifolds for now, and then later down the road swap them to the BD manifolds and actually have some real world numbers for everybody, you know, and do some dyno runs versus the two. So hopefully that'll be coming up soon as well. We're going to be painting through, you know, our exhaust manifolds, getting those all looking nice so that they're not all rusted out on the engine. So today we are going to be actually putting the front end of the race truck together. I plan on pulling the cab soon. And one thing I want to mention, because we're going to be running the bulletproof diesel block-off plate, we have to run an auxiliary oil filter and cooler in the front of the truck. So I want to start getting that situated, knowing where we want to mount things, how I'm going to route the lines and all of that. So let's get started. We're going to start throwing the intercooler in. We got a few upgrades for the front end as well, so let's get it. All right, so we got most of the coolers in here except for like the radiator. One thing I want to note, we are going to be keeping the AC. I have no idea if this one's going to work because it's been out in the weather for a little while, but we will be keeping the AC. If it doesn't work, then we'll just delete it anyways. But if it works, we're going to keep it. You know, it'd be nice sitting at the track, you know, when it's 90 degrees out to have AC going. Plus, I do plan on driving this truck on the street, so this will be good to have the AC. Trains cooler and power steering cooler, and then our intercooler. Obviously, we're staying with the stock intercooler for now. You know, upgrades later down the road, maybe if we blow the plastic intakes off of this one. We are gonna go grab the upgraded radiator that we have for this thing and get that installed. I can't wait to show this one off. It's gonna be sweet, guys. So to go with all of our billet aluminum underneath the hood, we are going with a Mishimoto Radiator. This radio is freaking beautiful, guys. I'm gonna get it out of the wrapping here. We'll get it installed on the truck. They say it's about a 30% decrease, or I should say cooling efficiency is 30% better over the factory one. Now on Amazon, you're going to be able to find two different styles. You're going to be able to find the one, the updated one that Mishimoto makes, and then you're going to be able to find this one. This is the cheaper version, I guess. This was the original version that they made for the 6.0. It runs right around $400. I've ran these in other trucks before, never had an issue. I do get better temps. It looks good, but you're not paying the full price of the $800 one. The only difference between this one and the newer one that I've seen is actually the thickness. This one's a little bit thinner, I guess, but it still looks good. It still performs as it should, so we're going to be running this one. Like I said, I can leave a part number. I bought this one off of eBay. I believe Amazon is in stock as well, so but these will be eventually run out because Mishimoto does not make the older version anymore. So let's get it out of the wrapping and get it installed. So pretty simple installation for now until we have to hook up our transmission lines and our radiator hoses. Obviously, like I said, this thing looks so good underneath the hood. And then we're gonna have all of our billet stuff in the middle here. Heck yeah. So now we're gonna get our assembly up front here for our header panel, our grill, and then we have the newer headlights, the black ones that we're gonna be putting in, and then we also have upgraded headlights, LED headlights. So let's get all this stuff in and let's get this front end together so you guys can get an idea of what this thing's gonna freaking look like when we take it to the track. So I'm super excited, can't wait. Let's get this stuff in. All right, guys, so I just wrapped up the front end of the race truck. It looks killer. Oh my gosh. The LED lights that I got for them, I'm not going to do a review on those just yet. I want to make sure that they actually work good and that they're actually a quality light. My first initial thought, they fit a little bit loosely in the headlight. I don't know if it's the aftermarket headlights that I got or it's the LED light. I don't know, but they fit a little bit loosely. And since we had the XL package truck, the connector harness for the main headlight part is different, so we're actually going to have to figure out, you know, we're going to have to get a OEM connector or just go to the junkyard. I don't know. I'm going to figure that out so that we can get the correct connector. But, guys, ooh, the truck looks good. Let's go out and take a look at it. Headlights, grill, everything is on, so let's look at it. Oh man, guys, that looks so good. We're gonna have to do something about that bumper. It's got some dents in it and stuff. We might do a custom bumper that's a little bit more weight efficient. I don't know. If anything, we're probably gonna paint that one white maybe. We are gonna be getting a different grill for the truck as well. That's going to have a little paint to match going on with that as well. But hopefully you guys enjoy that little montage that I did for you guys. It's coming together, guys. We're getting the engine together. We're getting the front end of the truck together. Next weekend, we're going to be taking the cab off and hopefully doing a little bit more welding, do a little more rust proofing, install our fuel pump. So next week, make sure you guys are staying tuned. As always, guys, make sure you like this video. If you are new, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below, as always, and let me know what you guys think about how we're doing so far. If you guys have any feedback for me as far as the videos go, leave a comment, guys. We'll see you next weekend. Peace.